Should we put a light on?
Chloe, go see Daddy.
Should we put a light on?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. All right.
Bye.
Mike, what is that? Now you have to put that on? You have to put that on, Chloe? There you go. Let's
You want me to take off the tags?
Hey.
Here, I'll take off the tags for you. Mommy first do that.
Oh my
Okay,
goodness,
pull the
Chloe.
bike over. Pull it over so you can ride it.
Alright.
Look at all this stuff Santa Claus left.
You must have been a good girl.
Ooh. What's that? Is it the stove? Yeah, let's get it over here, Chloe. Let's move it over here. Okay, so you...
Merry Christmas.
Come on, you gotta get on?
Chloe, Merry Christmas.
You say ho ho ho? Wow.
Let's see a ride. Go ahead, put your feet on the pedals. Go ahead, bye. Bye. Go ahead.
Whoa, you got
You
it.
did!
What's that, the bell?
You want your helmet on?
Look how snazzy we look.
Here, Chloe, look. Oh, I think I broke it.
It was
Yay.
working before. It's not working now. The phone's not. I'm going to take it back. Bye.
Oh, Chris will get it to work. I know.
Ooh. Oh, I'm not that good at it, huh? Cool, huh? You want to go back to the Christmas tree? All right. I love you.
I like